Today we're making two indulgent no-bake desserts, a rich chocolate biscuit cake and a classic Banoffee pie. No oven needed. Let's start with the chocolate biscuit cake. In a heat-proof bowl, add chocolate, butter and cream, place it over a double boiler and let everything melt slowly. Once melted, mix it well till smooth and glossy, then set it aside. Now take some biscuits, break them into chunks and add half of the chocolate ganache. Mix it well so every piece is coated. Now transfer this mixture into a 6-inch cake tin and refrigerate for 20 minutes. Once set, pour the remaining ganache on top, spread it evenly and chill again for another 20 minutes. Finish with a dusting of cocoa powder, slice and serve. Now moving on to the Banoffee pie. Start with 100 to 150 grams of digestive biscuits. Crust them using a Ziploc bag until you get a fine crumb. Now transfer to a bowl and add melted butter. Mix well. When it holds shape on pressing, it's ready. Now press this mixture into a mold to form the base. If you don't have a mold, any bowl will work. Now freeze this base for 2 to 3 hours until firm. Meanwhile, slice your bananas and keep them ready. Now for the toffee sauce, place a sealed can of condensed milk in a pan with water. Make sure it's fully submerged and boil it for 4 hours. Keep checking the water level. Once cool, open it to reveal a rich golden toffee. Now transfer this into a piping bag for easy use. Next, whip fresh cream till it reaches soft peaks, light, airy and just holding shape. Now it's time to assemble. Start with a layer of bananas on the biscuit base. Now add a layer of the toffee sauce, smooth and creamy. Now top it with whipped cream generously. Now finish with a sprinkle of chocolate and your Banoffee pie is ready. So two easy, no-bake desserts, perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to try them out and share your creations. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.